students to show their learning across the content area, we are going to also do reading and writing activities this week. One of the things we did was make a shape poem. So they planned the poem on here, and then they were given something to put underneath their paper, and that's what their finished product would look like. They also could write about a planet or a sun or a star, what they learned. We learned about the journey of an astronaut, and they used this pattern to make an astronaut, and then they glued him together and wrote on him. We posted those in our solar system. In math, we had space problems that looked at elapsed time, something we were learning. We also had double-digit addition and subtraction problems that were made up, and were story problems. To help with their phonics and stretching of words, they were given a word card. This one would be telescope, and it's number 6, so then they go down here to number 6. They'd have to know that there's 9 letters. Let me move this. How many sounds did they hear? How many syllables did they hear? And then stretch it out and write it. And they did that on both sides. There's 10, and they worked with partners on this. Something else I don't have a visual to show you, but they were given a science journal for the solar system, and every day after our lessons they would record information in their journal. Something else they did that week is they were put into small groups, and they would each be assigned a planet. Within that group they researched and wrote a report and then shared it as a newscast. They also got to make a 3-dimensional replica of their reports, and I will attach some pictures that I have of their finished products. And then they shared with the boys and girls in their class when it was at the end of the week. So lots of reading and writing across that content area. It's how we tie it all together for students. In addition to all the reading and writing, they also did singing and poetry. So we had poems and songs that went along with this unit as well. So I hope that gave you a better picture of what it looks like to use reading and writing across the content area.